What's up everyone, and welcome to the first ever episode of my tutorial series. I am JT of Dark Tech Games, and over the course of these videos, I will be attempting to demystify exactly how video games are created in the Unreal Engine. Today, we're going to start with a simple roadmap that I outline the direction of our future episodes. So, let's get started. First, we'll be discussing the system recommendations that are needed to run Unreal Engine smoothly. This will help you to set up your system for game development. Next, we'll touch upon the copyright and legalities involved in game development. It is crucial to understand these aspects to avoid any legal issues down the line. We will then move on to resources and motivations that you will need throughout your game development journey. We will share some tips and tricks to keep you motivated and resources that will come in handy in finding assets. The next topic in our roadmap is how exactly to make a video game. We will start with the basics and gradually move toward more complex topics in our lecture. In our tutorial series, we'll focus on blueprint-only development and ensure Game Pass support for gaming experience. We will then dive into creating splash screens, title screens, and main menus. These are the first things a player will see, so we will spend time in making them engaging and intuitive. Next, we will cover creating a character. We'll discuss metahuman creation, importing, character posing, and camera point setups. And finally, we will touch upon debugging co-op functionality. This is crucial for multiplayer games to ensure smooth gaming experience. And that's just the beginning. We will move on to more exciting topics in our lineup throughout the series. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our journey. In our next episode, we will dive deeper into the first topic of our roadmap, system recommendations. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.